Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as know for this our channel, say we they bring gist. Apropos anything with all concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see say this channel with the column. Apropos Saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel, news and gist what they do for dear. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. It don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I go leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
Good morning, good morning. As man tell the thing for a heart, na so it dey be. Yes. You not get happy Christmas in advance. No, happy. Somebody say happy weekend. Yeah, it's Friday. On Friday, tomorrow na weekend. Happy weekend, my lovely people, to you. As a man think it so easy, my beautiful, wonderful people. As person tell the think, na so it dey be. People are no longer they are anybody. You not get human being way they pass way far from the way they think and the way they reason. Just check the reasoning capacity of people. You will know that exactly that is how they are. The way they think, that's what they do. What they believe that you are doing, that is what they're doing. That is why they have that kind of belief. Rita, that my friend for prison said, I should greet you. I went to see him yesterday. Who's that? Hey, yeah, greet her for me. Great time for me. As person tell the thing, good morning, my darlings, my darling people. As person tell the thing, that is the way he is. Yeah. People will believe, say, Rita, now juju we do for Vera and Sarah. Because now what you know they do, now make una believe and say Rita also they do. No. When the book of 2 Chronicles is fighting your enemy, they will be thinking that Naju, now they fight them. I'm not God. I will not fight you, but my God will fight you. Yes. The book of 2 Chronicles is still active. 2 Chronicles chapter 20 is still active and alive. So when it's fighting you, you feel the thing saying, Narita, they fight you. And I'm not going even they fight you. Thank you for the love, my darling. Thank you for the love and like. I'm not going to fight you. But this book of 2 Chronicles 20 will just be fighting you. Fighting your plans against me. Na so it dey be. Na so it dey be. Small mind, they will never understand the things of the spirit. Carnal people, people who are too carnal, they are not spiritual. Very carnal people, they don't understand the things of the spirit. When they see spiritual things, they cannot recognize it. They don't know it because they are too carnal to understand it. That is why they always think to say, oh, waiting, then believe, say, then they do. Now another person they do. No, we are not in the same lane. Every time you time, I'm not like you people. I'm not like some of una way they talk that and the people that are always saying all those things say, na juju, Rita they do juju, mama they do juju. We are not like you people. We cannot be like you people. There is a big difference between we and you. As you can see, the grace, person with grace of God, they radiate for a life, they see Anna. If they see you in a life, they go see darkness for inside. They see total darkness inside in our life. So it's easy for people to know that you people are living in abject darkness and penury. It's very easy. Yes, it's very easy. You know they hard to know. When you see the grace of God and you cannot recognize it, it's a spiritually blind person. If you see grace of God at work and you cannot recognize it, you are a spiritually blindfolded human being. Yeah. And because of work and social media, death is not what you wish your people. It's not what you wish anyone. So if you see anybody, any sadist, any sad man or sad woman, people who don't have joy in their life, people with joy don't come out for their life long time, when they don't use their hand, take cause with it, come on joy for their life. They will always be putting the kind of who they are on top of other people. Their pain, their bitterness, they'll be putting it on other people. They want to put their pain on you. They want to put their bitterness on you. Whereas some of them, before they are bitter, before I even went to social media, their bitterness started already. You'll be seeing this time around, they will start telling you to say, you where they do your own, they go. Your brother where they do your own, they go. Your mama where they do your own, they go. Your papa where they do your own, I cause with the worry. Whereas now their hand where they sit down, put that is where their sad moment is coming from what they use their hand to cause on top of their self. Their sad moments, if they come from which they use their hand to cause themselves. It's very easy. Sarah was fighting me. An adult was close to Sarah. I couldn't tell Sarah to say what you are doing is not good. He say it's good, he support her. They share the video. Happy? When they come, they do the same thing now. He say now juju that they do. So the time she they do to me, what she can't they use? Not be juju you can't they use for her. That's what life is. The same thing with Vera. When she was doing it to me, some people were busy enjoying it, calling inside, celebrating it. They were happy. To them, God was punishing me. But when he started doing the same thing to them now, and juju persisted to do to them. So sometimes it's good me when they carry on a brain till you think. Because not be the way something just enter your mind, you take talking. We are all children of God. If you sit down to enjoy evil against another person, what do you think is going to happen to you? The same package of your evil will just come on top of you. Green. Don't blame anybody. That's what life is. You can't blame anyone. Because the time that evil is busy happening to somebody else, you are busy happy, celebrating it, enjoying it, calling inside, romancing that thing. When that evil will come back to you, you start saying, na juju. Na person you juju te do. No, it wasn't juju. I just promised you people here. So say what you did to me will happen to you. It's as simple as ABCD. Because I know the God I have. That's why I said it. I know that when I kneel down and open the book of 2 Chronicles 20 on top of your head, whatever evil you plan against me will enter your house. Whatever thing that you have ever thought to work bad against me, I know say it will enter your house. Yes. I sleep with my Bible every day here. If you gang up for evil against me, before I enter this my bed, I will just carry my book, open the book of 2 Chronicles. Thank God, my people who follow me, they see now. They always send me Bible verses. They always send me prayer. Good morning, how are you, my darling? They always send me prayers, Bible verses, and different things. Pray. I don't forget my God in every of my journey of my life. So if you think you want to test the God that I have, you want to test the God that I carry, it's karma. Thank you. Yes. Make una help me cause whoever reported my account because I was saying, oh, whatever. They reported your account. Sorry, my darling. So the time where the evil will come, they enter their house back. Their plan, there's exactly their own plan, their karma, their own portion, what they deserve. You see them crying. Yeah, man, he me. Yeah, no bo no work here. A boy will not even know whether they exist. They will give her. They will give person mama where they work out they go for that side. They will give papa where they work out they go for. Again, one to bo to tell you bo plan evil. Why my evil me no ya boomerang bo ma where it be at there. No. This is what you have to think. Before you support evil, make sure you know the consequences of evil when it boomerang and come back to you. Because sometimes when it boomerang and come back to you, now that time you will go come the okay, Christian. Yeah. But the time you will be using it and doing it to another person, you'll be enjoying it. It will be sweeting you. Eh? Vera, nobody uses Vuvu for an eye open. Because everyone in this life have a God. Everybody where they live for this life, we all have a small God inside us that we carry. At a particular time, our God will be helping us. Our God will help us. Our God will, you know, sometimes we don't listen to our God. That is why we fall victim of some things of this life. If you sit down to listen to the small God inside you, like I always say every time in this platform, you see that most of the things you will do, you will be very, like you will have a spiritual guidance and following. Most of the things where you will do, you will get spiritual guidance and followings because you listen to the small God who is inside you. You see Vera Television TV. Vera television, whatever. God opened her eye to know that I did not do anything to her. To know that I have never planned any bad thing for her. To know that not even concern her one day. Oh, Brother Slim Joe, good morning. That is exactly what happened to her. Nothing. Not be person do juju for now. I walk you, salubwa kia, o salubwa no lili mekia. No lili mave ya no gbe for no reason. O kia, o no ya bego kini problem yen gileji. No bego mano gile di real problem yen. Because where to ya soon be different place. Wa va unhia be hu ya na mana we mi ropa. Babita lowe. So, as soon as they use spiritualism and bad thing till they catch them, then they fight will not be their own. The time when their God will see work for them, open their eye. Now come the Christ saying a person use juju for them. Don't belittle the gods other people carry because you just have a mouth of talking nonsense. The only thing you can talk out of your mouth is nonsense and nothing good. So that one, good morning. How are you, my beautiful people? Good morning, brother. Sister Osaze Blessing. Good morning, beautiful Rita, the social media leader. Thank you, people. And good morning. So, if you come out on social media, Rita, they use juju. Rita, they use juju. If you don't leave me alone and you fight me for no reason, you will see the juju in me. Yes. Wa me bo me bigbe. Wa me bo me bigbe. Ne o ma tama we no beg me no come no le. Yes now. You don't discuss that one. Wa me bo me bigbe ba son mi o va van mi o bi. Everywhere wa be yori me bo me bigbe. Umana am yo bo me bigbe. We hia mo mi me yuto. But wa am yo bo me bigbe mo me yuto. Enguna megi bun we nya. But wa am yo bo me bigbe. Umana am yo bo me bigbe. Mo me yuto wa am yo bo me bigbe nguna me na bun we nya ne. Nguna me na agbo ho. O ma atama we no mo me yuto no le. So this is how life is. Most of the people of this life, they know how to play victim. When you wrong person, instead of you to just come out and say, sorry, my person, the wrong when I wrong you, sorry, say it vex you, you know, drop every fight. But if your mind tell you, say, the only thing where you take up, go reach till you die in a fight, na problem, na wahala. So what do you expect? That problem, oh, dele you or who dele you or what dele you egbe ya, so that no make an me yari yari ute yawu. Because if no gualo no. But thank you for the star, my darling. Thank you so much. But you know me say, the thing where you they wait, Lucy Harding, thank you. The thing where you they expect me come happen to another person may happen. You are not God. Who will say you will die? A person go really die? No, you are not God. You are not God. Who will say your children go die? They will really die? No. As long as there is God. The book of 2 Chronicles 20. Waiting the 3 nations take plan against Jehoshaphat. You don't feel killer. Wait till you say you go fit do. You are a learner now. You cannot do anything. You are not God. The only thing you can do is for you to keep talking and getting money on social media. Finish. But if you carry your hand past there, you really mention the name of that person anyway, you will die before that person. And you will see all your plan will enter your house. Now so life be. How are they, my lovely people? How are you? Good morning. Now so it be, my people. Sometimes all this petition fetish nonsense, I don't have time. I don't like replying them, but I like to reply this one. I like to talk on this issue small to enlighten people. For people to know the meaning of juju. Not everyone does it. If you are doing it, doesn't mean that other people are doing it. If I they do juju, they find when I find, say I know I find like this. People where they do juju, now ugliness be the first thing where they see for their body. That's it. People where they do juju, number one thing where you taste them, you see the ugliness in them. If they open tite, ya zaka. They hijacked my account, but I shape past them. They reported my account. But a Morgan, that's why they say man not be good. Abi, man be good. People where they do juju, they're not define. You don't see beauty in them. Whether natural, physical, or spiritual beauty. They're not the same for their body. Because they do juju. Yes. Not be everybody. All the battle of my life that I fought. My hands have been clean and I have my God. And if you don't believe the God that I have, my God will prove himself to you. My God will show himself in your life. He will show it in your plans towards me. Then you will understand the kind of God that I have. By the time you are seeing, even the things you think you have seen, when you are seeing the things where you pass down one, where you never even see before, no you bok bomisa. Ya hawi jimi. Salo wagi ritana. Na yako. O matama we. Wa mi ji. No le. The person could tell you. That's all life be. 3 nations, I follow Jewish shepherd fight. But they not succeed them. They didn't succeed it. So what makes you think you can succeed me? You are a learner. You are just starting because my God is still alive. He's not sleeping. You know, say the plan when I carry on social media is a good one and not for evil. You know that I love him. You know that I'm a sweet person. You know that I'm just a good person. Very nice person. So for that reason, every evil you have against me, you will collect 20 times from it and put it into your pocket before you even come out to say you want to reach anybody down. Now you be the first person we want to take on. We are carroy ye bune we von ye kwa. Okay, seki na mabeji. That's all like be. Sometimes some of you or some of these people where they talk all this nonsense, you don't even need to curse them. They curse themselves by themselves every day. So for the people where they create impression for people's mind, all those our mama those days for Nigeria. Non success. Aye egbeni. Egbena yak gbugbo. Egbena yak beson. O ma ye gbegba bi ma bere. Spirit o ye gbegba ma bere. Oho. Woman wey dey work. Your husband hand not the touch ground. Obo biya wa ye na woman obogbe. Biya we me ropa. That's why I normally encourage men to take responsibilities. It's good for men to take their responsibilities so that your wife at least will look fresh and live long. If husband lazy, you know they do anything, God will turn a wife to the husband. And if God turn wife to husband where they hustle, do this one, do that one, do that one, do that one. Like those days now where we say some men lazy anyhow, then they know they do anything. Their wife go farm, go do gari, go do everything. All you big beson, a benny ya even a machine. I is enough for an egbe or ya lume. I a vitamin egbe or ye be nothing. A gbogbo here na do ya feed up or dono bogbe. Arwe mwa wa go mete negbo wanya wa. I will not rest na gbebe gusana rotin ye. I will not gbebe gusana rotin ye. I push him why go mete negbu wanya wa no you are so here for life. Why is it so mo wa. O ma seti mi wa imujuto. Cause many return me na di with we. Ina mo gbe ni aya di with we many time wo o kan agbe be mo gedote yawo. That is why you are seeing some saddies today. They are praying for death. They are praying for themselves to die. Cause many time me amalaje yan gbere, amalaje yan kore, they are still crying. I know they like oh. I know they like me at the verse, the total person. Because no time me even na even no me wa mu where you turn a value. Wa so here for life. Mama died 20,000 years ago. Pikin can't cry today because you see another person mama for life. So you be want me everybody mother just die. Me any of them not they alive because your own die. A person kill your own. Sometimes it's good to be reasonable, to use sense to do your things. You want to create impression in the mind of people on social media. You want to create impression for their mind. Say, now another person I kill your mama. Guilty. Or see you be. Now another person I do you abi. Oh. O ma ga avuliga igbe re na ya so enjoy re arerewu. Avuliga igbe gbogbo. Ege na ya so enjoy. That dey kon o. O no shiringa ibo be na hope ya. All those things are sports. Na sport na it be. When you work too much, when you hustle too much in your life, na sport. when you are doing a physical job that a lazy husband cannot do. You don't know what it is. They are all job. They enter the body. Then they enter vein. They enter chest. They enter body. Wasi ringa iwo gri. O larere. O ya si eko atato we.
Okay, my beautiful people, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you learned something from it. Rita just dropped a message. She has given us some advice. Please, my people, support this channel by subscribing, like, and share this video. We'll see you all in our next video. Stay blessed and bye-bye.